I graduate from MAPP, which is the Masters of Science Applied Psychology program. Now, years later, I have my own outdoor company, and I look back on the work I did in MAPP to give me inspiration for what I'm doing now. Fridie Outdoors, we're about empowering people to get out camping and making the know-how accessible to people through our Fridie Outdoors app. You'll find things like how to get a good night's sleep, how to set up your tent, how to build that campfire. The inspiration was while camping, I saw a family. They were struggling to build a campfire, and the dad was like raising his phone up to the sky. In that moment, I went over and helped them. But afterwards, it really got me thinking, how could I provide them access to resources in the moments they need it most? And so coming from a technology background, also my background in psychology and user experience, I was like, this is definitely something I need to build. Through MAPP, I valued that this program provided me theory, but how to apply it in the real world. I very much valued professors who had real world experience and were teaching. I was in the online program and there was so much camaraderie. MAPP gave me a foundation in which I was able to take that into my tech career, but then it's also continued to serve me well as I've started my own company. One of the projects that we had was related to getting folks outdoors. So it's really come full circle